Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Now, come to our topic, properties of materials. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to recognize that different materials have different properties. Today, we are going to discuss the hardness of a material, strength of a material, absorbency of the material. In the previous lesson, we have discussed the flexibility of material. Now we will start hardness of a material. What is the hardness of a material? Hardness of a material is its ability to withstand scratches. For example, you can see the pictures of wooden toothpick and metal nails. Which is harder, wooden toothpick or metal nail? Yes, definitely metal nail is harder than the wooden toothpick. Now students, think about it, which is the hardest material in the world? Yes, diamond is one of the hardest material in the world. Now strength. Strength of a material. Strength of a material is its ability to support heavy loads without breaking. You can see the example, metal fork and spoon and plastic fork and spoon. When a material is strong, it means it does not break easily when pushed or pulled. Now which is more stronger? Yes, definitely metal fork and spoon are harder than the plastic fork and spoon. Absorbency. Absorbency of a material is its ability to soak up water. You can see the absorbent material. We use tissue paper to dry things as tissue paper is very absorbent. Or cotton is used to make shirts is absorbent too. Sponge, cotton wool, fabric is absorbent materials, or non-absorbent materials such as plastic, metal and glass are the non-absorbent material which do not absorb water. Now your copy work, write down the date, day, topic, properties of the material, write down the index. Question number 4, 5 and 6. Question number 4, define strength of a material. Question number 5, what do you know about hardness of material? Question number 6, define absorbency of a material.